Don't get too close, Elena.
Hi.
Elena, don't get too close.
Can we take him home? Hi, Mr. Squirrel. I wish I had nuts, but all I have is tortilla chips.